Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to use iOS emojis in your Xiaomi or Redmi smartphone without using any application. But before we get to it, make sure to subscribe our channel and like the video. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, open the Themes app. Go to Font section. Search for iOS emojis. Click the first one. Download it. Click Apply. Your device will require a reboot to apply theme. After rebooting, you will see that all iPhone emojis are available in your phone. You can use these emojis anywhere you want. Let's try uploading a story with these new emojis in Instagram. But keep in mind, these emojis will work in only default font of Instagram. That's it for today. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.